Have you been charged for driving while intoxicated? If so, you understand the possible consequences you're facing are very serious. DWI penalties and punishment can include huge financial fines, loss in your driver's license, an ignition interlock device installed on your vehicle, vehicle confiscation, and possible jail time. You can clearly see that you're at the court's mercy. And not only are you facing serious consequences, that I mentioned for your situation could potentially snowball if you don't have an experienced DWI attorney. And let's face it, we all make mistakes. But when you're charged with a DWI, this is a very serious charge. You need an attorney that's experienced and specializes in DWI defense. For you didn't land on our video by pure luck, and you shouldn't leave your DWI defense up to luck. We specialize in DWI charges and are here to provide you with the best professional service. Don't let a DWI ruin your life. Pick up the phone and call us today to discuss your options. Our number is right below this video.